Welcome to our new classroom. Today we're going to talk about this. Do you see what that is? It's a tractor. We know it's a tractor because it starts with the letter T. Tractor. The tractor has big wheels. Do you see how big those wheels are? But today we're going to talk about something a little bit smaller. It's right here. That's called the steering wheel. It's round just like the tires or the wheels, but it's a steering wheel. Let's go pick one. Let's go look over here. Anything can really turn into your steering wheel today. Let me see. This little pillow could be what? A steering wheel. Oh, wow. Look at that. That's just a paper plate. That can be what? A steering wheel. Oh, this is a big frisbee. That can be a steering wheel. Oh, Mrs. Curry made a steering wheel out of paper for us, so you can make your very own paper steering wheel too. Let's pick a steering wheel. I like this red tractor, so let's see if we can find a red steering wheel over here. Is that a red steering wheel? No. Let's see. Is that a red steering wheel? Does it match? No. Is that a red steering wheel? Yes, that's a red steering wheel. Let's take a drive. Let's go by this tree over here. Ooh, what could we find? Can you see that? Little acorns, like what you'll find on the playground. I see a lot of those over here. Oh, wow. More little shells. What color are those? Can you see the color? Looks kind of like brown, kind of same as the tree. Okay, let's keep driving. Get your steering wheel and go, go. I think I see a shape over here. It's the same shape as the steering wheel. It is a round, what is it? What shape? It's a circle. Look, big circle and little circles. Little. All right, let's keep driving. Oh, if I look down, I see another shape in our classroom. It's a square. Let's count the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stop. Oh, let's keep driving. Oh, let's go see what this is. Oh, it's another tree. This one is different. Oh, I see. I see the leaves up there. What color is that? Green leaves. All right, I'm gonna keep driving. Oh, look at the colors over there. Drive